Hello again, traders. Welcome back to the Pro Trader Network. Rick here. This is our weekly market analysis for the week ending February 19th, 2017. And we've got multiple time frames and multiple pairs to look at for this week's analysis. Let's start up here in the upper left with the euro dollar. I'm on a 30-minute chart. And you can see here we had bearish divergence and we sold off during Asia on Friday, and we came off the bottom here on Wednesday, and we're coming in right here to create some bullish divergence market baseline. Not quite down to the extreme, but here I've pulled in my harmonic A to B, B to C, C to D, and we're right around the 382. And we've completed this A to B, B to C, and C to D harmonic move. And how can we tell that we're oversold? Well, without even looking at the TDI, we can see here that our CD leg far exceeds our AB leg. And by definition, if you've taken any of my workshops, you'll know that that is the definition of oversold, when CD exceeds AB. So I'm looking for price to perhaps continue to the upside here, coming off of the bottom. I'd like to see this market baseline down to the extreme a little more, but clearly by glancing at the TDI and our extended CD leg, we are oversold on the euro. So looking for a continued rally there. Let's look at the euro yen. We're on the 1-hour chart here, and you can see we had some retail sales news and some other news coming out of both the Asian and London sessions on Friday. TDI stuck here right around the 50, but bearish bias. But again, looking at this, extreme oversold. So will we come down and retest right here these key levels of support? You can see we've come into some noise here right around the 119.70s, and I'll be following this market baseline to see if we have any reversals bouncing off of this big new structure low created by this sell-off on Friday. 1-hour euro yen chart. Now here's the euro CAD 1-hour chart. Double top, bearish divergence after we came off the bottom middle of the week with bullish divergence. Price moving down, oscillator flat, market baseline near the extreme, and then we completed this cycle to the upside late on Thursday, retested Friday, and then rolled over. Let's pull our fibs in here. Pulling in right around the 382. Look left, any structure? Yes. In current context, we had some noise here right around the 3900 even handle. Euro CAD 1-hour. Euro Aussie 1-hour, we talked about a potential rally here, retest of the low, and we had it middle to latter part of the week, and now we had bearish divergence coming into Friday right into the New York session. Price going up, oscillator moving down, and market baseline near the extreme. Not quite as near as we'd like to see it, but a nice little bearish divergent sell-off later in the day on Friday. So that's the Euro Aussie 1-hour. Let's come over here to the pound dollar 30-minute chart. Here was the negative retail sales news for the UK, and this thing dropped like a rock, and then we had our bounce. You can see well oversold here on our TDI, pushing the market baseline down to the extreme here. Will we retest the bottom? Not sure, but that's what I'm looking for to create some bullish divergence for this to rally. And right now, after this sell-off, we bounce back up to right about the 50, and if you look left, in context, we had some previous noise and support becoming resistance for this bounce back up. And look left here, we came down here almost to the pip and retested this low before bouncing back off the bottom after this big sell-off here on news. 30-minute chart here, getting to some lower time frames. Look at this 15-minute chart. You can see here way oversold, market baseline in the extreme. We continue to bounce up and rally, and I'm looking for this to retest and create more bullish divergence. That's pound dollar. Let's look at the pound yen. Almost the exact same setup here on the 30-minute. News, sell-off, bounce back, possible retest here, bullish divergence, and then a rally looking to get long. 15-minute, very much the same as the pound dollar. Here I've got the Aussie dollar daily chart. Market baseline near the extreme, inside bar, and we started this sell-off here on Friday. These are daily candles, remember. Price moving up, oscillator moving down on those waves, pulling our fibs. Yeah, we've just barely started the sell-off, but look here, traders, lots of noise here. For you advanced pattern traders, you can pull in your advanced patterns here and take a look and see if this is indeed an advanced pattern. We'll pull this in, and there you have it. That is the Aussie dollar daily chart. Here we have the Aussie yen 1 hour chart. You can see here we had a head and shoulders, and here's some bearish divergence. Middle of the week we rolled over a really nice reversal pattern here, evening star, and then we've completed our A to B, B to C, C to D, and look left, coming into some previous noise and structure here, moving down to our TDI, looking to create an extreme situation here for our market baseline. We've already got divergence happening here. Take a look. Price waves moving down, oscillator staying somewhat flat. Looking to get long after this overall retrace back down to the 618, so we'll be watching that coming off of the bottom there. Aussie yen 1 hour chart. Here's our Kiwi daily chart. Bearish divergence, price moving up, oscillator moving down, not in the extreme the way we like to see it. Nothing's ever really perfect. Pin bar here, we rolled over, bounced up, and now I'm looking for the A to B, B to C, C to D completion right here between the 618 and the 786, and look left. We've got some structure there, and we've got some structure right around the 618 in recent context, so I'll be keeping my eye on that pair as well. And we have the Kiwi yen. Look at this, market baseline in the extreme right here, a nice shadow candle moving sideways here, and then we had a bearish rotation. And will we come back down and retest this key level at around the 80.50, this key level of support? But look at that market baseline. We're on the 1 hour chart, remember, well into the extreme. So perhaps we can create some bullish divergence here, retest and a bounce, and then back up to the upside. We've got several high impact announcements for the Aussie next week too. They've got monetary policy meeting minutes, and then the RBA governor is going to speak as well. Thanks to those of you that took advantage of the discount on the Excel course 2.0. I look forward to working with you very soon. And also thanks for all your positive feedback on the new education side. I really appreciate your engagement and keeping me posted on how you're doing and how the interface is working for you. So that's it for this week, traders. As always, let's stay focused, follow our rules, and I'll see you next time.